Guys, welcome to Hardware Info. Today I have TCL 505 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To set it, we must open Google Chrome application when we choose three dots on the right corner and there scroll down to settings option. Now password manager, and there we can, when we press this gear icon, we can turn on or turn off some function, but to manage our passwords we have it there. We must press maybe on Facebook. Now we must enter connect pin. To do that we add a fastly pattern, and after that we must enter this look screen, and there we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this ice icon our smartphone show us password to which remember. We can also edit it and add notes by click edit, and we can add something in the username and passwords, or we can add notes. When we do that we press saved. We can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete again, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.